yellow Gambino frame with Odyssey Plite tires, black label rear hub, black label rims, black label sprocket, black label cranks, black label pedals, black label front, more black label, shouldn't pivotal seat, black label pedals, black label forks. These are Flybike Montana 2 bars with the green ODI long necks and Colt bar ends. Yeah, Colt bar ends. And black label stem. And a Can Creek headset. And that's about it. That's my bike.